Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT chapter 15 probability. Previous lecture I have explained the 19 question of 15.1 exercise. Now we'll see the question number 20. In the question number 20 it is given that there is a park in which there is a circle and a die is dropped at random. What is the probability of it will be dropped into the circle? So it is again based on the area question. So first of all we'll find the area of a rectangle L into B, 3 by into 2, 6 meter square. So area of total is 6 meter square. Diameter is given 1 meter, so radius will be half meter. So area of circle is pi r square, pi into 1 by 2 square, pi by 4 meter square, which is favorable area. Area favorable pi by 4 meter square. So probability drop is equal to area favorable upon area total. Put the value pi by 4 upon 6. 4 will come down and then you will get pi by 24 is your probability. Question number 21 you see. Question number 21 is given. A bag consists 144 ball pens, 20 are defective. Total is 144. Other are good. Noori will buy only the good and not buy the defective. So what is she will buy and what she will not buy? You want to get the probability. First of all you find out what is good one, 124. Total number is given 144. She will buy only good ones. It means number of favorable outcome will be good and number of total outcome will be 144. So 124 upon 144, 31 by 36. She will not buy. Not buy means defective ones. Defective is 20. So favorable outcome will be 20. 20 by 144. Your answer is 5 upon 36. Next one is given question number 22. In the question number 22 there is a table given. In this table it is given the events in example 13.1. So you want to complete it. Here you see you have this is the table given. One die is this and another die is this. So sum of these two, 1 plus 1. What is the operation? Sum. Sum operation is here, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. I have formed the table till 12. These sums are event sum of two dice. Sum of two dice 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here this is given and this is given and this is given. Other you yourself. So you will not write like 1 by 36. 3 is here 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 to 2 times. So number of favorable outcome is 2. 2 upon 36. 4 how many times you are getting? 4 I am getting 1, 2, 3 times. 3 by 25. 5 4 times. 4 upon 36. 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon 36. What is the sum? Is 7. Sum is 7 is a diagonal 6 upon 36. That is 1 by 6. And 8 how many? Again reducing. It is a diagonal then reducing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 by 36, 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36 and 1 by 36. You have completed the table. It is not equally likely because all are not coming equal number of times. So no, the question is given. A student, first part is over, completing, guesses that 11 possible outcomes. It means all are equally likely. 11 means all are not 1 upon 11 because 2 is not equal time, 3 is not equal time, 3 is coming 2 times, 4 is coming 3 times, 5 is coming like this you are seeing here. So it is not equally like, so it is a wrong because it is not equally likely. Question number 23 is given. A game consists 1 rupee coin 3 times. A game consists tossing of 1 rupee coin 3 times and nothing its outcomes noting. And now this you want to get the probability of honey will lose the game. Okay, only 3 tails or 3 heads will be there. So he want to lose the game. So first of all, coin 3 times or 3 coin together, both are same thing. So 3 coins, 1 coin 3 time or 3 coin together. So your result will be 3 coin. 3 coins result you get. There will be 8 outcomes. H, H, H. 1 H you reduce by 2 HHT. Second H again by T, HTT, and third H means TTT. Now the same process you start from here. 1 T you reduce, change H. Other T also H. If the third T you change H, then you get repeat. So don't change here. Now you take 2 corners T and H in between, 2 corner H and T is between. Then 8 outcomes. Hanif lose. Hanif lose only when the triple H and triple T will not come. Triple H and triple T, it means losing except these two, all are the favorable. So HHT, HTT, TTH, HTH, THT and THH, except all the 3, these 2 you leave and other all you get 6. Favorable outcome is what? 6. And now you will get 6 upon 8, 3 by 4 is your probability. Question number 24 is given. It is based on die twice. A die is thrown twice or 2 dice together. Both are again the same. 36 outcome. 5 will come up either time. 5 will come up at least once. Either times or once. Not come. Here not come. Here either time comes. One is not, one is come. So 2 dice thrown together, both are the same things you have seen here. A die thrown twice or 2 dice thrown together once, both are same result. So you will get this figure. What is the figure? 36 outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 like this. It is total outcomes. So 5 will come in the 5 column this and 5 line this. There is a 1, 6 pair and here also the 6 pair. But it is a repeating 2 times. So 1 you reduce. 6 plus 6, 12 minus 1. So there is a 5 will not come. So these will not, you don't want this. It is except this, all will be your possible outcome. So first you see where is the 5 coming. Subtract this from 36. 36 minus 11. It is your favorable outcome. 5 will not come either times, means 25 upon 36 your probability. But second case, 5 will come either times, it means this all, it is your result. It is your probability. It means NF is equal to 11. How? Or you can apply the component formula. NF is equal to 11, then P is equal to, this is your NF. In this case, 11 upon 36. By this or by P naught is equal to 1 minus P. By this. Just not par you want to get. Now the question number, this form. This or this. 2 options. 25th question. 25th question is a given here. It is a given. If 2 coin you want to get which is not correct, give the reason. If 2 coin toss simultaneously, then there are the 3 possible outcomes. 2 heads, 2 tails are one on each other, tail and one of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes there is a 1 by 3 probability. It is not possible because when 2 dice thrown once, then no, because it is incorrect. Why? Because HH, HT, TH and TT, there is a 4 outcomes. So probability will be not 1 by 3, it is 1 by 4. So it is again wrong. So third one, second part is given. If the die is thrown, there is a 2 possible outcomes are odd and even, which is 1 by 2. Probability of this will be 1 by 2. In this case, you will get, it is a correct 1 by 2 because for odd also, odd 1, 3, 5, even also 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. So it is a correct. First one is wrong, second one is correct. So this exercise is over. Now we will see the one more exercise, which is optional exercise given in the book. In this optional exercise, there is a question given. Two customers, Sam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week from Tuesday to Saturday, and it is equally likely. So visit the shop. First of all, you want to find out same day and consecutive day and different day. Rest questions you will read yourself. So what is given? It means there is a two friend. It means again like a two die, two coin, you will form a table. Tuesday to Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is a Syam and it is Ekta. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Make the pair Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 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 Thursday. Like this a number die you make a table, you will get total 25 outcomes. 5 in this, 5, 5, 5 there. So what is the NT? 25. Same day it is a diagonal. This is your same day. TT, WW, W means Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. 5 outcomes. It is a TT up to Saturday, Saturday. All. How many outcomes are here? 5. NF is 5. So what is the probability? 5 upon 25, 1 by 25. Consecutive days. Consecutive days means Monday, Tuesday or Tuesday, Monday. So here Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Friday. This is the 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. What is the probability outcome? 8. Then probability of event will be number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcome, which is equal to 8 upon 25. Next is given different days. Different days is very simple. What is the same day? This diagonal gives you same day 5. So out of 25, 5 are same day, then other will be different days. So 25 minus 5, what is? 20. So probability of the NF will be 20, number of favorable outcomes. So you will get your answer 4 upon 5. Question number 3. In the question number 3, it is given the a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. No, question number 2, not 3. Question number 2 is given. There is a 2 dice which is numbered as same. 1 die 2 times thrown. 1 time this, 1 second time this. Like a 1 die 2 time or 2 die together. So you make this table. This is numbered not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is numbered as 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. So first here operation is given plus. It means this plus this plus this. First line is given, second line is given, some numbers. So you have completed like this. You are completing this. So what will you get here? 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 2, 4. In red color I have completed. 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 here 2 plus, no 3 is there. 3 plus 2, 5 and 3 plus, then column 2 and here 2, 2 plus 6, 8. 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 9. So all red color I have completed. Total number of outcome is 36. First part of the question is given here, 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. What is? Probability for even number. So all the circles are even. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many are there? 18 circles are there, or 18 upon 36, 1 by 2. 6. There are 4, all underlines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 6 are there. So NF will be 4. So what is your probability? Your probability is 4 upon 36, 1 by 9. At least 6. Minimum 6. Means this L-shaped numbers and 6. L-shaped number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12 and 6 this. So there is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 plus 11, 15. So what is the Minimum 6, not less than 6. 6 or more than it. So P upon is equal to NF upon NT. 5 upon 12 is your answer. 15 upon 36. Question number 3 is given. A bag contains 5 red balls, some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of the red ball. Very good question. Determine the number of blue balls. Let the number of blue balls be x. 5 was red. Then what is the total? 5 plus x. So you find out probability NT is total. So probability of red and probability of blue you find out. Red upon total, blue upon total. 2 probabilities you are getting. Both have relation. Probability of blue is double of the probability of red. It is given in the question. So put the value. Probability of red is equal to blue is equal to twice of the red. Both denominators will be cancelled. So x is equal to 5 to the 10. So how many blue balls are there? 10 blue balls. Question number 4. A box contains 12 balls, out of which x are black. 1 are drawn at random. What is the probability that it will be a black? First part over. So total 12, black is x, probability of black will be favorable upon total x upon 12, one answer is over. But after this one more part is given, 6 more black ball is dropped into the box. What is the then probability of drawing black is double of the previous. Find the x. 6 more ball you are dropping, it means total is x plus 6. Only for black. Total also increased because there was only 12 balls. 6 more ball you are drawing, it means 6 will be increased. Now total is 18. Now probability of black will be, which is called the new probability. New probability of black is x plus 6 upon 18. New probability and the previous probability have a relation. New is equal to double of the previous. This relation. Put the values. X plus 6 by 18 is equal to 2 into x upon 12. 18 that side. Divide into, change into multiply. 6 3 is 18. 3x. 3x minus x 2x. Then x is equal to 3. You are getting the which x means number of blue ball is 3 and the probability in first case is x by 12. Question number 5, which is given the last question of this. Question number 5. In this it is given a jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and other are blue. If the marbles are drawn at random of the from the jar, the probability of green is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls. Probability of green, what is given? Total number is given 24. Green and blue. Probability of green is given 2 by 3. It is given in equation 1. Let the number of green ball is x. Then what is the probability of green ball? Green upon total. Number of green upon total, x upon 24. Both are same probability. So by first and second, both are equal to each other. Now simplify. 24 will go that side. 3 8 is 8 2 is 16. So how many green balls are there? It means number of green ball is equal to 16. So number of blue balls is equal to 24 minus 16. You will get 8. That's all for today. And your this chapter probability is finished. So we will explain all the things in other any problems in the next lecture. So I hope all of you have understand. Thanks.